Hey guys, thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on what's been going on. I basically have the basic frame tacked up in place, and I couldn't be happier with it. That was as far as I went because I was waiting on the hoop, which just showed up. Now, this hoop has the upward swing at the back, and this seat naturally has a little bit of an incline, but I haven't really dealt with you know, the hoop and the upswing and the not upswing and everything else, so I wasn't really sure, and there was no real mention what I was getting. And you know, sort of the good news and the bad news, or the bad news and the good news, is that this upswing does not help me at all in what I want to do. The good news is that there's enough of a hoop after the upswing happens that it doesn't matter, that I could cut it right after the bend and tap it into the little bit of frame I have. So in terms of how this is coming together, I couldn't be happier. Like I said, right now these mounts are just tacked. I've got a couple of large bolts holding the shocks in place. Everything is nicely held into place and looking great. So I'm basically going to cut off the upswing, add the hoop, and just keep everything at a really nice even line, which is kind of what I wanted to begin with. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my hoop cut and hopefully start to get some things welded for the last time. So what I want to do is, this is not the same length. These two. This one is noticeably longer. So to get an even cut, I'm just going to basically feel out where the bend ends, which is about right there, and just mark it afterwards, because I don't want, and once again that one, about right there. And it's almost, I almost have to eyeball it because those absolutely do not match. That is like one of the worst. It's way off. Holy crap. I don't know if you can see that. This mark where the bend ends, and this, I'm about a 1/4 inch off where the little loop of the bender ends, and these are at least a 1/4 inch off from each other. So it's really a matter of trying to eyeball it. About right there. Wow. Wow. Let's come back a little bit. Let's not go too far. Let's do that and that. Good thing I wasn't relying on that. I think that's exactly where I want it to be. I wanted it to stand proud of the seat and really be a feature on the end. I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. Okay guys, there it is. Rear hoop is welded on. Most of the joints are now fully welded and have been cleaned up. I've got a little bit of cleaning up to do on the inside, but I have to take the tire off for that. And then it's just getting in a little bit of primer for now, so I'm not dealing with bare metal. Coming up in the future, concentrate on getting the wiring back into the bike and seeing what I need and don't need, getting the tray built for under the seat. And I've got a couple different choices for engines, so I'm going to look at what will best serve me right now for that and get something in the bike to sort of help me with sort of design and height and electronics and everything. So if you're digging this, please subscribe, leave a comment. Yeah, hopefully we will get another one out really quickly. Take care guys, cheers.